In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new scene and get started with Grease Pencil in Blender. So let's dive right in and explore the steps to make this process seamless and enjoyable. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to the Outliner panel, which is typically located on the top right of your Blender interface. Here in the Outliner, you'll see a variety of elements listed from your current project. To create a new scene, direct your attention to the New Scene button, which you can recognize by its icon featuring two overlapping circles. Once you have located this button, go ahead and click on it. At this point, you'll be presented with a choice. Either go for New if you wish to start with a fresh canvas, free of previous settings, or opt for Copy Settings if you'd prefer to bring in settings from an existing scene, which can include elements like your render settings and even animation data. This choice really depends on your project needs. For those working on a series of related scenes, copy settings can save considerable time and effort, while starting anew can be perfect for completely different setups. Now, with your new scene created, it's time to breathe some life into it with Grease Pencil. In each new scene, you're free to add Grease Pencil objects, which are fantastic for 2D animations within a 3D environment. To add these objects, head over to the Add menu. This will open up options where you can select and incorporate Grease Pencil objects into your scene. You can sketch out your ideas directly, create unique materials for rich textures and shades, and adjust lighting setups to give your project the exact mood and tone you envision. Remember, each scene is independent, meaning you have complete creative freedom to use different Grease Pencil settings unique to the needs of your current scene. This isolation can be a powerful tool for project organization and creative exploration. With your Grease Pencil content in place, organization is key, especially if you're working on an elaborate animation project. The timeline is your best friend here. Think of each new scene as a chapter in your animated story. Use the timeline to manage the flow of your scenes, ensuring continuity and fluidity throughout your animation. This is where planning pays off. As you lay out your scenes in the timeline, keep in mind that each can be rendered individually. You may find it useful to render them as separate files, allowing for detailed focus on each component. Later, you can stitch these together to form a cohesive final animation, providing you the flexibility to make adjustments without affecting the entire project. And that's it for today. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating dynamic and organized scenes using Grease Pencil in Blender. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.